What's up mga ka-J-Vlog? Maring Ana here, and this is another vlog series ng ating camera test and review. So for today's video, i-check naman natin yung camera quality ng ating iPhone. Or gaano nga ba kaganda ang camera. So mag-insert tayo ng mga clips and videos, especially mga pictures na kuha ng ating iPhone 13 Pro. So tara mga ka-J-Vlog, let's go! Before we start mga ka-J-Vlog, gusto ko lang i-share kung saan ba namin binili itong iPhone 13 Pro natin. So this 13 Pro is from CMB Gadgets. So we bought this one 128GB for only 27,000 pesos. And the percentage or the battery health of this phone is already 90 plus. So let's try to check first and explore this phone. Let's just lower the brightness and then proceed to the battery health. Hold on. Alright, so we still have 92 battery health. So please bear with me guys, dalawa kasing phone yung ginagamit ko as of now. So we're currently using the portrait and also the landscape. I'm using the DJI on the portrait mode and my 15 Pro on the landscape mode. Para mapanood din ng mga subscriber natin sa TikTok and also sa YouTube and also Facebook yung ating camera review and test. So si iPhone 13 Pro ay may bibigay na 5 color variant. So meron siyang graphite, gold, silver, alpine green, and also this color which is Sierra blue. So we decided to purchase Sierra blue since favorite color nga ni J-Vlog is blue. As you can see sa lahat ng units ng CMB Gadget, mostly of their products is super smooth. Again, sa mga gustong pumunta sa CMB Gadget, they are located sa Tiange, second floor. Hanapin nyo lang yung XA07. And aside from that, they also have permanent shop. So yung permanent shop nila is located sa third floor B Mall. Dire-diretso lang kayo pag sumakay kayo ng elevator. And if you are using escalator, sa gitna lang talaga sila nakapwesto. So, sa Kingel Telecom, mostly makikita nyo doon is si Boss Eli, si Belen na also, si Ate Mary Rose. Sa baba naman, makikita nyo doon is si Boss Mayet, si Alma, and also si James. Sila yung makikita nyo staff sa baba, sa Tiange. And yes, huwag na natin pahabain to mga ka-J-Vlog. Let's proceed to the main content right now. So, check na natin yung camera quality or quality nitong iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, meron siyang time-lapse, ayan, slow-mo, cinematic, video, photo, portrait, and panorama. Let's try first yung camera quality nitong 13 Pro sa back camera niya. So, let's take a picture. I have a lot of, samples in here. I'll go ahead and take a picture. Hold on. So, ito yung 1, 3. You can zoom this one up until 15. There, oh. So, you can zoom the photo up until 15. So, 15 yan. So, let's proceed first sa times 3. So, yan yung times 3. And also, 0.5. So, ito yung 0.5. Ito yung ating setup right now. So, I'll insert this pictures na lang somewhere dito sa video natin para makita nyo din yung sample quality ng camera. So, this is the 0.5, the 3 times zoom in, and also the 1. Okay. And let's try the portrait, of course. So, okay. So, I have this cute little alarm clock na binili ko sa TikTok. So, let's try to capture this one using portrait. Okay. Ayan, so ito yung quality ng ating portrait sa 13 Pro. And then, of course, let's have to try on the selfie camera or the front-facing camera of this phone. So let's try the portrait first. This is a portrait for front-facing camera. Ayan. So ito yung portrait natin. Then next is yung ayan, photo. And then let's try to make a short video also. So front-facing muna tayo sa video. So this is a front-facing video sample of 13 Pro. So as you can see, ayan, maganda naman yung quality ng phone. Lalo na pag meron tayong light. Ayan. Huwag nyo nang pansin na ng sabog kong buhok na kulot. Dahil ako ay nag-aayos right now. This is just a quick video sample. That is my setup right now. I have two kind of setup. Alright. And then let's try the back camera, of course. So video sample back camera of 13 Pro. As you can see, this is my setup, two kind of setup, DJI and also my 15 Pro. This is my station. As you can see, I have mini alarm clock in here. I have red. I have two Pokemon's miniature and a candle. Let's try to light this one up. Oh, look at that. Hold on. Ah, my goodness. Look at that. This is the back camera of this phone. Ayan. Let's try also this one. I have mini, what do you call it, this one? Mini, I forgot. Basta, oh, diba? Okay, that is a video sample for the back camera of iPhone 13 Pro. Yeah, so let's try to take a picture. Ayan. This one also, let's try to take some pictures. This in portrait naman. And then, let me share you guys the quality of this phone. Bam. Look at that. Look at that. There you go. Look how this 13 Pro camera. Ang ganda talaga ng 13 Pro. Again, that's the camera quality of iPhone 13 Pro. So, kung tatanungin naman ako, Maring Ana, based on your experience sa iPhone 13 Pro, marirecommend mo ba siya for us? Ano ba ang masasabi mo? And how can you rate this phone? Basically, I'll go for 10. 10 out of 10, of course. Not because of the battery health, but how this phone works, especially sa kanyang camera quality, game test, of course. Stay tuned kasi may game test din kami about this phone eh. So, before kasi nung ginamit ko na kasi itong 13 Pro kasi I already tried this one on gaming, especially ML, something like that. It's fine naman, especially then sa camera quality. Pero kasi, ang main reason lang naman din kung bakit namin stop pinurchase is meron na kasi kaming mga malalaking phone. And me also, I'm not fan ng mga malalaking phone. Though meron akong Android before and that one is big. But, Pro Max kasi, for me kasi, parang same at hindi naman din sila nagkaalayo ng quality. 'Di ba? So, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo ng quality. But, kung may extra funds or money kayo na pwede nyo i-add, for it to be iPhone 13 Pro Max, then go. But sa mga nagbabudget dyan ng phone, 13 Pro guys is good already. With the amount of 27,000. Meron pang mga freebies yan sa mga recommended shops natin. Basta meron kayo, basta subscriber or followers kayo sa page nila, you also have discounts and freebies. So, alam niyo yun, yung freebies pa lang na may offer nila from us or from their customer, palong-palo na yun. So, worth it yung ibabayad nyong presyo sa phone na 13 Pro. The quality of this camera is superb. Wala akong masasabi. Kasi nagamit ko na siya, na-try ko na siyang pang video. Stay tuned kasi gagawa din ako ng video sample. Vlogging sample nitong 13 Pro natin para din ma-share ko sa inyo yung quality pag nasa indoor or outdoor kayo. Baka kasi sinasabi nyo, Mariana, sinasabi mo lang kasi nga, nasa indoor ka lang, maganda lang yung quality. Let's try, di ba? Sa medyo madilim na part. Ganon. So, magta-try tayo yan ng video vlogging sample sa camera ng iPhone 13 Pro so you don't have to worry on that part, okay? And sa mga gustong mag-purchase ng ating 13 Pro, visit our recommended shop sa Green Hills, CMB Gadget. Alam nyo naman na kagad yan mga ka-J-Vlog. Meron silang Tiangge, second floor, XA007. They also have permanent shop sa KNL Telecom sa third floor V-Mall, dire-diretso lang kayo dyan. Makikita nyo kagad KNL Telecom, purple, ubing-ubi yan mga ka-J-Vlog. And after that, sa mga magtatanong, how can we purchase this item, Aring Ana, if ever na outside Metro Manila kayo? So, outside Metro Manila, mga ka-J-Vlog, you can message their page. Marami silang offer na payment methods and also delivery option. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. Lahat po ng stop sa KNL Telecom and also CMB Gadget, they are friendly. Huwag nyo lang asahan na after you message them sa messenger or sa pages nila, mag-reply sila with one snap. Siyempre, meron din silang mga customer na kinakausap. So, huwag kayo mag-alala. Lahat naman kayo ng mga inquiries nyo about the item or the unit of CMB or also KNL Telecom, they can accommodate that, okay? So, that's it mga ka-J-Vlog, ang ating quick camera review sa ating 13 Pro. Again, stay tuned kasi gagawa pa ako ng TikTok video with this phone and also gagawa din ako ng video or vlogging sample with this iPhone 13 Pro. So, this is Maring Ann. Thank you so much for watching. I hope nakashare ako ng onting tips and also review when it comes sa ating 13 Pro. See you again mga ka-J-Vlog sa ating next na camera review. So, buyers!